Good morning, everyone. Welcome to this tutorial. Again, this is Mr. Faisal, and today's video we're going to discuss all about the frame tag. So prepare your book and open it on page 29. HTML frames are used to divide your browser window into multiple sections where each section can load a separate HTML document. Let's have an example. In this figure, you can see that this window is divided into four sections. These four sections are our four different HTML documents. Just like this second figure, wherein this contains three different sections that are what we say three different web pages. In creating frames, we use what we call the frame set tag. Instead of using the body tag, we will be able to use the frame set tag that will divide this page into different browsers. The frame set tag defines how to divide the window into frames. The rows attribute of a frame set tag defines horizontal frames, and cols or the column attribute defines the vertical frames. Each frame is indicated by the frame tag, and it defines which HTML document shall open into that frame. Let's have an example. We are going to create three web pages with different colors. Save it with the following file name. First, we have top underscore frame.html. For example, we have the color blue. Then another web page, which we will name main underscore frame.html. Let's have the red background. And the bottom underscore frame.html has a yellow background. So we have the top, the main, and the bottom frame. So with this objective, we will have now our tag. I want you to open your textbook to page 81 and follow the given code. You can pause this video as you proceed to your exercise. Example, let's have our opening tag for HTML, the head tag, the title tag, which I use HTML frames, and then let's close it together with the head tag. Right after the closing tag of your head tag, we are now going to use the frame set tag. You might find confusing, but like what I've said earlier, this will replace the body tag. And as we look back, the given figure has a division of our rows, or let's say three rows, and that's why we put 10%, 80%, and then another 10%. Right after using the frame set tag, this follows the frame tag, and we use the name equals top, source, of course, this is our web page, top_frame.html. And for our 80% is frame name equals main, and the source is our main_frame.html. And for another 10%, our frame name is equals bottom, and of course our source is bottom_frame.html. After naming these three divisions, we need to use no frames. Why? Because if your browser doesn't recognize this frame set, we need to use the body tag so that this will display the text your browser does not support frames. Then let's close it. Let's close the no frames, and then after which we will close our frame set and then our HTML tag. For your activity, I want you to open your book on page 82 and do the example number 2. At this time, we have 3 columns. I want you to assign different color for each page and then combine it using the frame set tag. After which, I want you to do the remaining examples from pages 83 to 85. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to post some comments or questions on our discussion board on our Schoology. And don't forget to join us in our Zoom account. Thanks for watching.